Hi everybody, it's the Retro Yuki once again giving you guys a follow-up video for our Mudae bot tutorials in terms of the slash commands update for April. So let's get right into it with a quick review for those of you who missed out on the update. So basically the update on April the 16th allowed members to use the slash commands, which was a new system on Discord where you can use the backslash instead of the $sign to do the commands for the Mudae bot. For example, slash W would roll you a waifu, and $W would still give you a waifu, but it has the unintended consequences of forcing new players or new servers to be using these slash commands. And the comment section of those two videos have been all about the slash commands, how to disable the slash commands, and unfortunately the solution I provided did not work at the time. Now, fast forward to a few days ago, yesterday there was another update for the slash commands, and in this one we talked about how the server, in terms of average users trying to use these slash commands, are low, and the average viewer users of the rolling is about 11 and a half. And the fact that you had several time periods that you were forced to use these slash commands in the beginning of the hour, and then at the late part of the hour you were free from slash commands. And this is based on a report that they sent to Discord. So as you guys can see here, Discord said slash commands are the solution for Mudae, so Mudae will need to continue in this path. Okay. Then late yesterday, there was another update saying that 50% of the users, in terms of the data they collected, it did not work out. So a new workaround was going to be in play for today. And that brings us to today's update. And that is for today at around 5:30 in the morning my time, or 8:30 a.m. Eastern. A new update was just announced, and I would like to go over this right here. We're not going to go to my server because my server, for this update, it's just going to be word for word. So the slash commands did not work and expected in terms of allowed traffic. It was worse than the regular commands, the $sign. So they worked around, they have a little workaround. So the little workaround, they said, is that slash commands are no longer mandatory for new servers. If you are still using a new server, you are okay now. They are no longer mandatory. Perstogglereact 3 is now removed from the game. That used to have where you can force yourself to use the slash commands for a bonus, and that bonus was supposed to be like a roll. Now, if you do roll with a slash command, though, you are guaranteed a bonus of 10% of a wish spawn, which is +1 with a +1 roll, and 5% Kakera earned should you use a slash command. Okay, but there is a catch. There are going to be Discord related features to slash commands in the future for the Mudae. Okay, now unfortunately, as part of this update, if you have anywhere between less than 10 rolls per hour, like for example, if you use first togglereact 2 or togglereact 2 for the whole server, you're only up to 7. You are forced to use these slash commands at this point. Now, they are saying that they're working on something else with this, but for the moment, you have to be forced to use slash commands if you roll less than 10 per hour. Now, to make it interesting, they also said first 30 minutes of high traffic hours. So that means like from, let's say, 8 a.m. Pacific to usually 7 p.m. Pacific. Those are the high traffic hours of Mudae game. So they're saying that the first 30 minutes are going to be with the slash command in play for the servers. Whoever uses 10 rows or less. Okay? Now, just late today, there's more actually. I would like to talk about this new one. So let's read word per word on this new section. Today was better thanks to the partial fix. Tomorrow, slash command should, in quotation marks, finally be effective for lowering the traffic, as the actual reason was found thanks to Discord, and the fix is ready for next reboot. Now, next reboot reminds me of one other thing. Are they going to bring out something else for the Mudae game tomorrow? You know what I mean? Because this is the first time we're doing a update with the word next reboot. There is going to be a reboot soon, so we're gonna have to see what happens tomorrow. So do expect some type of video covering either the reboot or something with the slash commands tomorrow, right before I do my stream. So let's see. Let's hope for the best with the Discord game. Once again, let me recap. No more perstogglereact 3. If you roll less than 10 per hour, you are forced to use a class slash command. In the first 30 minutes, then the last 30 minutes you're okay. And there is possibly a reboot soon, and there is possibly an update tomorrow. So if there is an update tomorrow, I will be giving you guys that video, hopefully before 5:30. But if not, I will definitely give you the video on to Saturday. Now, as far as our other series, we will be doing our next episode of Troubleshooting Mudae, possibly on Saturday, depending on what happens. But for now, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this update, and hopefully everything works out. Enjoy, everybody.